What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and today I'm going to take a question on special attention account. I got this question sounds like this. Hi Kenny Lee, I want to ask you something regarding the housing loan. Before this, I have SAA account, special attention account, on last for personal loan around 4K. On last month, I already make full settlement. When it will be clear on my CCRIS record? Is it will be take around 6 months? Thank you. The answer here is it will come after you have hit the subscribe button and also smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that more people will be able to find this video. This question, when will the CCRIS report will be updated, right? It depends on when the bank submit and when you settle. You see, CCRIS again is controlled by Bank Negara, so we're not sure when is it that the bank will submit once you have settled. So I'm going to answer this question just based on this case only, whereby it's personal loan. Personal loan is known as a non-collateral loan. Non-collateral loan, again, remember the bank does not have anything to sell if you default on the loan. Hence, there's no collateral. Personal loan, credit card is in this category. These are non-collateral loans, the common non-collateral loans. So if you settle a special attention account, in general, it's faster to update compared to loans with collateral like a house or a car. In this case, it will not take until 6 months. If you have settled after the 15th, you can actually check your CCRIS record for next month. Once the bank has submitted, you can check the record next month after the 15th or next month and see that it should be removed from your CCRIS record. Okay? If you have settled before the 15th, most likely, maybe it's like first or second of the month, most likely it will be updated at that month itself, and so by the end of the month, you should be able to see that the record is already updated in CCRIS. However, most of the time, I understand when you apply loan, then you hit this kind of snag, right? You hit this kind of roadblock, right? What you can do is ask the bank for a settlement letter. Okay? Settlement letter. Settlement letter saying that you have already settled this special attention account. This settlement letter, right, does not guarantee you an approval because the bank initially will automatically reject your loan if you see the special attention account. They can't see what facility it is. Okay, so if it's a credit card, a small amount credit card, maybe you forgot to pay your annual fees of 200 ringgit. Yes, that is excusable. But if it's a big amount like a personal loan, 10,000, and then you suddenly go and settle, and you pass to the bank and say, hey, I've settled my personal loan, so can you give me a loan now? Most likely you get rejected. Okay, so for this kind of cases, I would highly recommend you to wait for your CCRIS to update and then apply the loan. Of course, you don't go back to the same bank that rejected you lah. Okay? With that explanation, I hope that this explanation is clear and help you with this special attention account and also your loan. This is in the category of non-collateral loan. Okay? And if you have further questions regarding property and financing, do WhatsApp me or email me your questions. I'll try to take as many as I can. If you want to get my book, just take my link down there. The book Tolong Luluskan has a lot of these basics in terms of loan and financing for you to help you to get your property loan. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.